So we're not testing a Rotel 230, this is our demonstration set. Tango 21 Mr Chippie, go ahead.
Right, it's come up to the end of the line.
Roger, got you at the end of the line. So he's taking the Cybernet ZX1 emergency set with him. He's using that in the car. Most of the time he'll have it at arm's length. He won't have had it that time, so you actually know what it sounds like, but we know from the previous video what it sounds like when we did the on-the-air test. So the on-the-air test is when we do them from the workshop here on the roof aerial, and he drives away in the test vehicle. When we do a field test, he drives away with the radio itself, using the magnetic aerial that came with that emergency kit. So it's exactly as presented. It's plugged into the cigarette lighter, and he is running it like that. Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger that. Already getting quite a bit of service now. It's on the old signal, so can't see this going on for too much longer.
Okay, Roger, we got it to Kelby last time with the previous set. So he's at the 1 mile point and he's reporting surface noise. We didn't get this beyond 4 miles, which was the Kelby turn. So his next report will be top of the hill, which is 2 miles. Scratchy corner, which is near 2 3/4 miles, but in the dip. Then he'll call from Wilsford level crossing, which is 3 miles.
Right, we're now going out the top of the hill. Let's go down it towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. And then he'll get to the Kelby turn, that's the 4 mile point, and then it petered out on the previous one of these sets we tested. Now we're doing it again this test because this one's in pristine condition, whereas the previous magmount aerial was a bit rusted, even though I looked at it and did what I could with it.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going down Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
Roger, getting you fine going round Scratchy Corner, over.
Roger that. Well, I'm getting you, but you're very noisy now. Probably an F2.
Roger on that.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger, I've got you fine going over Wilsford level crossing. Roger. So we're hearing him. That's what it was, a Roger. So it seems like they're the same range. It's a shame to be let down by that aerial. Of course you can plug it into other aerials. We're testing the aerial, aren't we? We know the set works. Roger, I am still receiving you at the Kelby turn, over. Roger, I am receiving you at the Greyleys turn, receiving, over. Roger, I am receiving you going over Rawsby level crossing, and that concludes the test, thank you. Yeah, it's not receiving. Okay, 21 out. So he doubled with me, he's not receiving. Okay, so we heard him over the 6 mile route, but he didn't seem to hear us for the last mile, I think, it seems. So I'll ask him what he says when he comes back, and we'll put that on the blurb in the video. So that's the field test for the Cybernet ZX1. Remember, we're testing the Cybernet ZX1, we're not testing the Rotel 230, which is our demonstrator, which we use for these kind of tests. It's been carefully calibrated. Thank you for watching.